Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Suppose we want to move the stock from one storage bin to another storage bin.
Yeah.
So, so, uh, so we can use the physical inventory.
You can use general movement type, a general warehouse process type, anything. Okay. You can use bin to bin movement.
Okay. Suppose means user wants to pick from a particular storage bin, and that storage bin doesn't include any material. So
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
can we move the stock from that particular storage bin to
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. You can move it any location. You can move it.
so
Yeah.
what actually
So
I'm
two
doing is
things we have: system driven. System driven is there. Otherwise, you can move ad hoc basis. You want to move one bin to other bin, you can always move that.
yeah
Okay,
my
but you should be.
my question is that can we use the physical inventory for that?
If the stock is already there, you can move it, right? How come you can do physical inventory for that? If no stock, then I can do that. Assuming that you got some stock that is nowhere in the system, but how do you do that? Okay, it's the only way you can do physical inventory, and telling to some region saying that okay, this is we found it. Okay, so then you have to use certain proper region for that. And that's what, as I said, regions, we will make it some real-time regions, what for I'm doing for physical inventory. And then you create physical inventory, then whatever bin you wanted, yes, certainly you can pump the stock. You can upload the stock for that.
Okay.
That's what yesterday we have done, actually, some of the cases. So I don't know how many people have attended. Yesterday we covered with advanced physical inventory, where we do not have any stock. We try to pump the stock. Okay, we have picked some 7-8 bins, and we try to add the same material with the 50-50 quantity. So then we have done it. So that's where we can do that. We tried for RFI, we tried for the GUI. And certainly you can do that. Any bin you fish, okay? If you want, you can do that. Okay. Let other people join now. Yeah, anything, if you want, I can cover last, okay? Just wait for that. So just what I want to do now, the new racking profile where we wanted to do as per the business requirement. So yesterday we worked. So whatever we have created for the Vidal is a reserve area, right? Is a reserve, am I right? That's what we created for that. So we wanted some like a specific product should go to the certain based on the how you receive from the supplier, whether you receive US pallets, maybe same product or different product, but the way the requirement is a new racking profile, it looks like this one. So what we have done is we have designed such a way that, okay, first two level 1 and level 2, only US pallets will go. Okay, level 3 and 4, and it's going for Euro pallets. Okay, and Euro pallets, but because US pallets is a smaller size than the Euro, so US can be allowed in Euro pallets. And also we have done 5 and 6 is a CHEP pallet. Okay, it goes only CHEP pallet. That means when you receive from the supplier the product, and then if you receive from the supplier as a CHEP pallet, so it should go to the only 5 and 6. So since this CHEP pallet is bigger than the US pallet and Euro pallet, so US pallet can be allowed in CHEP, and Euro also allowed in a CHEP pallet. Okay, so same vice versa, like Euro cannot be allowed here. Euro cannot be allowed here because US is the size is very less comparatively Euro 1. So Euro pallet cannot be allowed US pallet. Okay, same way CHEP pallet may not allowed even Euro. Okay, same thing, CHEP is not allowed in even for US. Okay, because CHEP is a bigger, so it always US can be allowed, Euro allowed. Okay, and in a reverse way, Okay, Europe palette cannot be allowed US, and the CHEP cannot be allowed. Okay, US always can be allowed any location, assuming that we have, I think we have done only 3 racking profile because not we didn't get a chance to, and I think 3 stacking we have done. Okay, stacking 1, stacking 2, stacking 3. 3 stacking we have done it, and so first when you receive the product, US palette should go to the US palette only. That's what we have done it. And for example, this one we made it, and okay, this is the one we made it, and the remaining 5 bins, okay, 5 bins we blocked it because we wanted US should come to the US. Similarly, we have created another product where should go to US. So then we canceled all other, we blocked all other bins. So we wanted remaining product should go to Europe, palette should go to only Europe. Okay. And again, we have done it for CHEP, another product we have created. That product only should come to the CHEP, and the remaining thing I cancel. I think I blocked temporarily because I wanted to. So another product, 4th product, it should go to the over height. That means the very over height. Okay. Other than this, anything is bigger than this one. It's bigger than either CHEP, Hero, and all, it should go to the over height. That's what we designed. And the logic we have done is we have used as a bin type as a logic. So that bin type we have created as a 4 bin types. One is a US bin type, Euro bin type, and CHEP and the over height. But as I said, always 1-to-1 relation. US should go to the US one. So that's what US should go to the US first one. Put somewhere. Yeah, US should go to the always US. US can be allowed in the Euro area because US is smaller, so Euro can be allowed if no bins available in the US area. Okay. Same thing, like, even I can add even CHEP also, in case CHEP is also allowed for US palettes. Okay. Same thing, Euro palette is allowed Euro. Okay. But Euro palette cannot be allowed in US. Okay. Euro can be allowed. Yes. Yeah. This is allowed. So this is the logic we have done it. And also alternative bin type, all the design we have done is a bin type determination. Okay. So the products we have created 4 products, that product is assigned to the bin types for that. Okay. So the objective what we have created now is the 5 products we created. We will go to the 5 products. 1 product should go to US palette, 2nd should go to the Euro, 3rd one to CHEP, and 4th one is the whole. Okay. That's what I believe we have done it. Okay, just I will go back to the SAP screen and we will see that. Just we will test, and then after that. This is this kind of structure we call as a new racking profile, because the existing one, they want to redesign it based on this kind of strategies. Okay. I think in fact we have already created one. Yes, yesterday we created, but some region is not, delivery is not distributed. Some region, I don't know who is that, 741 user, you try to do, just to run it anyway, you can see that.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay. So this is what we created. Okay. Just I will double click with a bin type. Okay, look at this one now. So we created as a 50 BT. 50 BT should go to the US one, because since we have 6 bins, as I said, 5 bins I blocked. So first 50 BT should go to the US one. 2nd BT, because I blocked it, it should go to the Euro next one. Okay. So 51 BT, this is designed for Euro pallets. Okay. It should go to the only Euro. And then remaining 5 bins, because I know the 6 bins we have within the Euro, the structure, if you look at. So I wanted to see remaining products should go to the CHEP area. Okay. Similarly, I designed for 52B. First 52B should go to the CHEP area. And the remaining 52, the 5 bins I blocked because I wanted to ensure that 52B should go to the overheight. Okay. Then last one is the direct 53 for overheight. So if at all you wanted to see what is the put away control indicators, all these things, you can always check quickly. And master data as usual.